We are pleased to show you the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.